Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Crypto Takeover coming back with another Bitcoin video for y'all this evening. If y'all are brand new to the channel, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell so that way y'all can be updated every single video that we make. We make a Bitcoin TA video every single day on this channel, so please don't forget to join with us every single day. I'm getting out a late video today, so hopefully y'all are still around and stick around to watch it a little bit. But we recently are seeing a little bit of a sell-off in Bitcoin from its peak at about that 9,900 area. So we dipped down below 9,500. I thought that was pretty key support line for us, and it looks like we dipped down below it. We are currently trending under our VWAP as well. We're going to take a look at the higher time frame charts, so stick around. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, so we're looking at our 15-minute time frame right now. We can see that we're currently still trending underneath our VWAP here, putting in a few blood diamonds here. This is our 15-minute, 3 blood diamonds here on our 15-minute as well. I was keeping an eye on this earlier. We got in a short position, I think right at about 9,800 or so. I think that's where my position was at. So the trading group was ready for that one. I saw it started to dip underneath the VWAP. We were taking the trade, and we went ahead and went for it. We kind of got stopped out a few times back up here. We tried to get in a short right about here. We got stopped out, and I think right here we should be good, but we're going to have to wait to see how the rest of this plays out. I've been taking a look at some other indicators as well. Right now we are using the market cipher indicator on this channel by CryptoFace. If y'all want to learn a little bit more about the market cipher indicator, y'all can search CryptoFace on YouTube and figure out how to get his indicator from him. But yeah, this will be our main indicator that we will be using is the market cipher indicator. I did just purchase the TD sequential by Tone Vase as well, so I'm glad to announce that. If y'all are part of the Telegram channel, I did announce that earlier, that I will be using it on the channel from here on out. But as of right now, I really need to do a little bit more research on it to make sure I'm reading everything properly on the TD sequential. I've been following Tone Vase for a little while now, and I think he has a pretty good little indicator that he also keeps up to date with as well. Most of these indicators, like the one from CryptoFace as well, the market cipher, they do updates on them pretty much yearly or more or less monthly, I think, too. That's what I've been told, and so I think Tone Vase also does the same thing there too. But we're moving into our 30-minute time frame here. On our 15-minute, we could kind of see that the money flow is kind of rounding off just a tad bit. And also now on our 30-minute time frame, we can see that money flow is still kind of moving into that reddish area. We are putting in a big green dot down here. We had these trigger waves also indicate that we were going to have a little bit of a sell-off. As of right now, currently trending under some EMAs that we can find some resistance under. Getting a few death crosses here right now. Moving on into our 45-minute, we can also see money flow starting to round off. I'm really anticipating this money flow start to turn red here too as well, but we are getting that big green dot, maybe indicating that we are going to have a little bit of a struggle breaking through the zero pivot point on our 45-minute. Currently, maybe looking for a death cross here to happen. We got this blood diamond here back on our 45-minute, and I felt like that was a pretty good indication for us to hop on in a position. Guys, if y'all want to learn a little bit more and trade with us as well, y'all can join the Patreon page. It is available as of right now, so click the first link in the description box if y'all want to check out a little bit more about how we trade. If you want to join our trading group, you also get access to I think roughly about 12 to 15 different private videos on my Patreon page, as well as the private posts in there too. So I do daily summaries in the Discord server as well, that you can get signed up for. So it's all one package that's included. Y'all can come check it out. Check the first link in the description box if y'all want to learn and trade a little bit more with us and learn about what altcoins I'm in heavy accumulation of during these periods right now. Being that we are having some resistance under that 10K area, we can definitely anticipate probably another really good buy zone that will be handed to us in an opportunity to kind of scoop up some crypto on a lower price too. If we cannot breach above that 10K area, that is where we've been seeing major resistance at, and it's going to take probably a little while for us to maybe break through that. So as we start to see some of these time frames kind of round off, we can definitely anticipate another good buying opportunity for us. Let's move on into our 1 hour. Our 1 hour is also giving us a little bit of a rounded money flow as of right now. We are putting in that big green dot down here. The fact that we did dip below this very oversold position down here to put in that big green dot, there was a lot of momentum by the bears to kind of take control here. So we'll have to wait to see what happens with this maybe EMA squeeze here between our 100 and our 13 EMA here on our 1 hour. Let's move on into the 30-minute time frame too as well. Actually, not 30-minute, the 90-minute time frame. So we are getting, we haven't gotten a green dot down here just yet, indicating a potential bottom, but we are dripping below our key EMA here so far, and maybe anticipating a squeeze to happen too as well. Our green EMA trend line is the 200 EMA, so just a heads up on that. I did kind of add it to the chart here recently just to keep an eye on a few things as well. But we're just, I don't want to get too overcrowded in here, but just a few more things to maybe help me out and get a little bit of an edge on the market too as well moving forward. Guys, also I offer a YouTube membership that y'all can sign up for if you're interested in it. It is a little bit cheaper than the Patreon page, but with the YouTube membership, you'll be able to let me know what charts you want me to view and review, given my indicators, given the market cipher indicator, and now also adding the TD sequential by tone phase as well indicator on there too. So if you want private analysis on whatever charts that you're looking at, feel free to join the YouTube membership page, and then I can offer you a chart analysis on what charts you've been viewing too as well. Just give me a message once you've joined. We do have a newsletter that we send out periodically. It is free to sign up for. If y'all do want to sign up for it, I think it's the second link in the description box. Feel free to sign up for it. It's basically just a nice way to keep up to date with me. And then also I'll provide some of my private Patreon videos to y'all as well periodically whenever I do send out the newsletter. So I'll probably get ready to send one out for the month of May here pretty soon. So y'all can anticipate that. We are doing another giveaway at 3,000 subs. So go ahead, share this video, spread the news about crypto takeover. We're here to take over these markets, and we know the full outcome of crypto and the cryptocurrency market. We know how it is going to be implemented once they say cash can be contaminated, right? So we know that that's part of the process. We know that we are early adopters in this market, and we're going to use that to our fullest potential from moving forward too as well. So go ahead, spread the word, tell people to come check out Crypto Takeover, share this video, hit the thumbs up button, like, comment, subscribe. You know you know all the gist. So go ahead so that way we can get this channel up and running and get that algorithm going for us too. If y'all do want to join the Discord server, it is free to join, so definitely check out the Discord server link in the description box, but make sure that you abide by the community rules and guidelines when you do enter the Discord server. You're just going to click a little green checkbox, and then it'll give you access to the server. The Patreon trading group is a private category inside of the server, and you do need to pay through Patreon in order to get access to that private trading group category as well. On Telegram, I just did an announcement that I did purchase the TD sequential indicator by Tone Bays, and I will be using it on the channel from here on out. So definitely make sure to stay up to date with me by joining the Telegram channel, because I'll post updates in there as well. I did post about the 3 blood diamonds that I saw on Market Cipher A in the Telegram channel this morning, so maybe y'all could have hopped in on a little bit of a short and made some profit there too. But I just like to share different things in the Telegram channel, but most of the time I have to dedicate my full private analysis to my trading group, so they come first, and then later on I can post a few more things on the Discord or the Telegram channel as well. So check out those links if y'all want to keep up to date with me, if y'all want to see what I'm seeing on my charts as well for moving forward and, take over these crypto markets. Let's move on into our 2 hour. Our 2 hour, we can also see here on our 2 hour that money flow is still kind of pretty steadily in the green area as of right now, maybe indicating that we will get a green dot soon on our blue waves. But as for moving forward, we are still having a steady green money flow as of right now. Let's move on into our 4 hour. 4 hour time frame here. Let's see. Oh, there we go. I'm adding some new transitions in here, so you'll have to bear with me so I can make sure that I'm calculating, doing everything right here. So we can see on our 4 hour, we are also getting this rounded off money flow as of right now. We came back up when we had that huge sell off here, about that 8200 area. We did come back up. Our money flow kept us afloat here, but it does look like it is putting in a lower high, so we could probably see if we were to draw something of a trend line structure out too as well from here to here. If we continue to go forward and past the zero pivot point, maybe towards the end of May 20th or so, we could definitely see a little bit more bearish action happening in these markets. This has been a major trend line resistance for us at that 10K area, taking us all the way back to that blow off top in 2017 of 20K. It has been major ceiling for us moving forward from here on out. So, you know, the bulls are really going to have to step in if we're going to come back up and retest these areas like that. But other than that, you know, it's buy or sell resistance, buy support, right? And so that's kind of what we're playing here, and that's what we're kind of looking for. Is that I know CryptoFace just came out with another video too as well. You know, we're seeing some bearish signs as of right now, but you know, that's yet to be determined. As we start to move forward into these higher time frames, we could still get pumps because of our mid time frames. They are showing a little bit of that green money flow staying steadily here. On our 6 hour, we're still in the green money flow, but it is kind of trending down as of right now. Now, that doesn't mean that we're going to go straight down from here. It means that we could end up seeing a nice little pump up to the top side, and then maybe we continue down. So we could have a little bit of a retracement back up to maybe 9,700 or something, and then, you know, we continue down from there. So we're really gonna have to wait to see exactly how this decides to play out. But as of right now, we're starting to see money kind of move out of this market. People are selling at the resistance line, and we're just gonna have to see how much is gonna actually be sold off from here on out. Guys, if y'all want to check out 3 commas, I won't provide any of that information in there. I need to just have it back on the buy screen. But let me see if I can get that there. Let's see, I think this is it right here. Yeah, I'll say okay. Yeah, so I really enjoy using 3 commas, to be honest, y'all. And if y'all want to sign up for it, please use the link in the description box. But it allows me to in and out, actually make limit orders in and out of the market relatively quickly using their DCA bots. So I really like using their bots that you can program. You can program them to use them on leverage exchanges as well. But definitely a nifty tool there. So if y'all are interested in checking out 3 commas and creating your own trading bot, check them out, and link in the description box below. I do have so if you are brand new to crypto and you don't have a Ledger Nano X or S, you need to make sure that you have cold storage. You need to make sure that you have a hardware wallet, not your keys, not your coins. We know the whole deal, right? But if you're brand new to the space and you're just getting started, I would definitely recommend Ledger as a good hardware wallet to use, or cold storage device, whatever you want to call it. It's definitely my go-to for cold storage, and you can pick them up using the links in the description box to help support the channel. So thanks, y'all. I appreciate it. I'm going to click on my little Brave browser down here and Brave browser ad down there, sorry, and get some of that BAT token. So I'll tell y'all here about a little bit of that in a minute. But if y'all are interested in just in leverage trading, most of the people in my trading group, we use the Bybit platform. But if you are brand new to Bybit and you've never used it before, when you do sign up using the link in the description box, ask chat support how to access the testnet. It basically allows you to paper trade BTC and use fake BTC and figure out the platform, know what the buttons do, know what limiting orders are, know what market orders are, learn how to adjust your leverage, all of that jazz, laddering orders. So there's quite a few different things that you can kind of play with in there in testnet before you actually deposit your real BTC onto the exchange. So definitely check out the testnet beforehand if y'all are interested in that. Let's move back into the charts real quick. We're looking at our 6 hour here. We got that red dot there as well too. Let's move on into our 8 hour. Also giving us this red dot here on our blue wave moving forward, so we can definitely see a little bit of more sell pressure, maybe some indications that we're kind of topping out just a tad bit. We got this red dot back here before we had this major sell off here too, so I feel like we're in a pretty good position here. I think that if anything, we could maybe come back down and have a double bottom or something like that. But definitely looks like Bitcoin's starting to see a little bit of the sell pressure from hitting this this ceiling that it can just not be able to get through as of right now. So anticipate something like that to happen. But as far as our overall structure on our sentiment on Bitcoin is that we're in it for the long term. That's why we're here. If we weren't enthusiasts in this market, then we wouldn't be making crypto channels, right? But we're going to play the market to the best of our ability. And as of right now, we can kind of see that, hey, maybe, maybe it's not so moonish just yet, and that's just saying just yet. It does look like we are getting a little bit of a trigger wave here on our 12 hour as well. I did want to turn back on our buy and sell signals too, to kind of see what they were going to give us. Yeah, but no sell signal yet on the 12 hour. Let's go back into, I think our 6 hour had our sell signal, and so did our 8 hour. Yeah, so our 8 hour just put the sell signal in too. We might see something here on our 12 hour moving forward. As we move into our 21 hour, let's see what's happening here. We did get these nice little dojis to indicate maybe that was a top for us. We are getting the red dot on our 21 hour on our blue wave moving forward from here on out. So let's move on into our daily really quick. Daily here on Bybit, no sign of a sell signal at all, but we did have that buy signal back here when we had that push back up to that 9,900 area, but could not break through 10K. So this could end up being somewhat of a trigger wave on our blue wave to maybe send us back down to test the zero pivot point and decide what BTC wants to do from there. If y'all are also interested in trading with the S&P 500, gold and silver, some different fiat currencies as well, all using Bitcoin. Prime XBT is another leverage exchange that allows you to trade a bunch of those commodities just using Bitcoin. So that's pretty cool, right? Then also, y'all saw me click this little ad down here in the bottom right hand corner. That was a Brave browser ad. So it allows me to actually earn passive income, and the way that it pays me out is in BAT token. And if y'all don't know much about BAT token, that's basic attention token, but it's basically like a social media tipping token. But you can earn BAT token by just clicking on ads in the bottom right hand corner using the Brave browser. So the Brave browser is made by the same people that make Mozilla Firefox, and they've done a great job with this browser. It's basically an ad-free browsing experience. You can opt out of clicking on these ads or having them even pop up in your on your screen at all. If you would like to, so you can have a totally ad-free browsing experience, and then you can come over to the Crypto Takeover channel. So you can come over to Crypto Takeover and you can tip me in BAT token. So I think if you just click on one of the videos, you can also tip your content creators if you'd like. So I think I should have the little BAT token icon by my YouTube video when you're watching it to tip as well. So at the beginning of every month, you'll get paid out in BAT token by how many ads you've clicked on the bottom right hand corner. But it's not, it's not as intrusive as like most Google ads or anything like that. So it's pretty convenient. I like using it. I've been accumulating BAT token for the past couple of months, just using this web browser, and it's definitely my go-to browser. So feel free to check it out if you are the crypto type enthusiast. And then also, Crypto Tab browser allows you to mine Bitcoin straight from your computer. I have it running on 2 different laptops that I don't really use anymore, but I just have them mining Bitcoin for me basically, and it's just using this web browser. So this web browser is basically just a browser that you can run in the background of your computer, and it'll automatically start mining Bitcoin for you. They also have apps that you can download on your phone, and you can mine Bitcoin straight from your phone too as well. So super convenient, another easy way to earn passive income in the crypto space as well. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter if y'all like to stay up to date with me on there. And then, like I said, guys, the trading group is available if y'all are interested in joining. Don't forget to join the trading group. We could end up doing some other stuff, but we are definitely ready for our next setup here, and I've expressed to the trading group so much about different things that I'm seeing as well that I really don't have enough time to share with y'all on these public videos, but I do share them with the group for the most part. So I think we're going to go ahead and end it here. We're looking at about a 20-minute video, and I don't want to make this a very long video at all, but we get all the way to our 1 day, and I'll do the rest of the analysis on the higher time frames and go over those with my trading group. So Thanks for tuning in, y'all. I really appreciate all the love and support that y'all been showing, all the comments down below. If you made it till the end of the video, comment down below 3,000 subs, and we'll try our best to get there very soon, very soon. So thanks, y'all. I really appreciate y'all sticking around for the Bitcoin analysis. And with that being said, we'll go ahead and do the outro, and I'll see y'all next time. CTO signing out.